Tired of Figma notifications burying your team's important messages and slowing down your design workflow? Let's unlock the power of automation and connect Figma with the rest of your world using Zapier. In just a few easy steps. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click that big, inviting Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's connect Figma as our trigger app. That's the event that will kick off our automation. Search for Figma in the app list and select it. Zapier needs to know exactly what Figma event should start the automation, so let's choose a trigger. A popular option is new comment, meaning every time someone posts a new comment in your Figma file, something else will happen. Choose new comment and click continue. Now, Zapier will ask you to connect your Figma account. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Figma account. This usually involves logging into Figma and granting permissions. Alright, with Figma set as the trigger, let's choose what action we want to happen next. Let's say we want to send a notification to a Slack channel every time a new comment is added. Search for and select Slack as your action app. Next, tell Zapier what you want Slack to do. Select send channel message as your action and click continue. Now, connect your Slack account like you did with Figma. Select the channel where you want the notifications to appear and customize the message that will be sent. You can use data from the Figma comment like the commenter's name and the comment content to create a dynamic and informative message. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Zapier will send a test message to your Slack channel. If it looks good, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. And that's it. Now, every time someone leaves a comment in your Figma file, your team will be instantly notified in Slack, streamlining communication and boosting collaboration. Experiment with other Figma triggers and actions to automate even more of your design workflow.